Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make reels on Facebook. So first things first, open the app, and then from here, what you're gonna do is here on the right corner, you can see plus button, search button, and the messenger button. Just go ahead and click on the plus button, and here you will see the reel option. Click on it, and from here select a video, and then from here you can select audio. You can also add voiceover, and you can also add music. From here you will have variety of options, and you can also search your own music. And when we go back, we can also add text that we want. We have a lot of options when it comes to typing on the text, and here we have multiple selections that you prefer. And here you can also add an effects, and you can also add stickers. You can also add the time and add GIF and everything you need to decorate your story. And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!